Aloha and happy summer. My name is Tao.
And I'm Heather, and we're both flight attendants at Hawaiian Airlines. Well, summer is a time to relax, enjoy time with our friends and family, and capitalize on this long Hawaiian summer days.
Yes, so this summer, Heather and I are going to be hanging out, talking stories with all of our Hawaiian Airlines ohana, and sharing activities that all of you can go ahead and follow with along every week. So our hope is to celebrate summer and share our island home with all of you, no matter how far apart we are.
We'll be kicking off our Pau Hana Fridays series with Chef Wade Ueoka of MW Restaurant in Honolulu. Aloha, Chef Wade.
How's it, Chef Wade?
Hello.
We're so glad to have you with us. We feel like we get to see you every time we fly.
Right,
We get to
right.
eat your food and have a good time.
No, we love working with you guys, and
Oh.
it's such an honor for us to be a part of it.
Well, the honors both ways for sure because, I mean, make amazing food and for us to be able to indulge too. Thank you. So, what are you gonna be making today? What's your dish that you're gonna be preparing?
So
Showing
Huli chicken.
Uh-huh.
It's so iconic to Hawaii, and everybody loves Huli chicken.
Right.
And so we're gonna use fresh chicken from North Shore. Julius Ludovico, he's the farmer, and so he does a pasture-raised, anti-butter-free, hormone-free
Wow, nice.
raising the chicken. And so we just did a simple marinade with shoyu, sugar, and little garlic. And we're gonna make a little spice rub to baste the
Right.
chicken. And we're gonna simply just grill it, and we got some vegetables, and that's it.
Nice. Those of you at home, go ahead and take notes because, I mean, this is a lot to take in, so you can go ahead and make this at home as well, right?
Yeah, of course.
Awesome.
Any backyard
Barbecue and all that. Right on, right on. Okay then.
There's no mistaking that smell of fresh huli chicken when you're like
Yeah.
driving by. So just the smell of it just
Right.
brings back so many good memories.
Of course,
I
yeah.
can't wait to see what we have going on.
This
So
is
lovely.
paprika. So it's
Okay.
like a smoked paprika.
Yeah, nice little kick to the dish, yeah.
This would be cayenne pepper
Mm-hmm.
and garlic salt.
Do you measure these out beforehand, or everything looks
kind
so
of,
perfectly?
kind of.
So you,
It's one of those like, it's with the feel, like you kind of just.
yeah, you feel it.
especially
What you
as a
feel
chef.
for the day,
Of course.
I'm
I'm sure a lot of people who cook kind of know exactly what you're talking about. But for those
Who cook well.
who cook well, because those who don't kind of need more
Need the
structure.
exact
1
measurement.
tablespoon, or 2 tablespoons, right on. But yeah,
Heating, not heating.
right, yeah, exactly.
So again, paprika. We got
Mhm.
cayenne pepper, garlic salt, and then black pepper.
Nice, nice.
Also
nice.
give it a little kick.
I
So
love
I'm just
that.
gonna simply mix it up.
So this.
Okay, nothing's burning our eyes or anything like that.
And then we're just gonna sprinkle it all over the chicken.
Okay. And that also is just by feel, not necessarily.
Yeah.
Basically, you just want to.
Yeah,
coat,
a lot
like
of it's
have a
gonna
nice-
fall off on the grill too. So
Mhm.
you're just trying to basically coat the chicken.
Yeah, yeah.
And just simply rub it in.
Nice. You got all the vegetables right after. Nice.
And then do both sides. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Nice. So you make sure you have enough to where you
Coverage.
coat both sides, right? So now go all ham with all
One
your
side.
One side.
We want to be fair.
Right. Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. That looks pretty nice and simple.
Yeah.
I mean,
It
easy
looks
to say-
straight.
easy to
It looks
say.
straightforward.
Right.
And then we're just gonna put it down.
Well, there's that music to our ears.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the cooking process of the huli chicken?
So we're simply gonna just grill, and then you want to make sure to continue to flip over. So huli means to flip or to turn over to constantly. So when you go to the, when you're
Yes,
having
when
the
you're passing by,
Yeah,
all those
you see all
huli
the-
chicken
Yeah.
fundraisers.
turning and
That's what
flipping,
makes it so alluring. It catches your eye. It's
Yeah.
like rotating and
Yeah.
the smell, of course.
Right.
Yeah. So you just want to make sure you keep turning and flipping.
Mhm.
So it doesn't
Okay.
one side doesn't burn.
Right.
Okay, and of course we all love sides to our huli chicken. What kind of vegetables are we working with today?
So we got some simple zucchini and corn. You gotta always have a barbecue. Gotta have
Right,
corn.
of
you know,
course,
grilled
of course.
corn on the cob. But the zucchini will help soak in some of the juices.
Okay.
So
The vegetables are it's just it's a side or it's
we're just gonna put it laid
with
on
the dish. Oh, okay,
below,
okay.
So,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Kind of like a
So
bit.
the juices can soak in.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Got it.
So we'll add that to the going on the grill.
So you're just grilling them, simple.
Did you add any butter or
Oil.
oil?
Just oil, some olive oil.
A little bit of olive
Not
oil.
even any seasoning.
Yeah.
It'll get all the chicken, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you put enough time on the
It's a
rub
package
itself.
deal.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
Ooh, what a good combination.
It's looking good though, smelling good.
Yeah, so we love having your dishes on board, and so do our guests. Where else can we go to experience your cooking?
So we actually just moved to, we actually moved our location from our old to a new spot in the Velocity of Honolulu building. Where they
on
have all the
board.
Ferraris.
Yeah.
Across the Blaisdell area. Nice.
So we have MW on the second floor,
Yeah.
MW restaurant on the second floor, and we have Artisan, which we do downstairs, which is more of our casual
Okay.
takeout kind of
Oh, so you,
concept.
you do both then. You
Yeah.
take care of
Right.
both of
How
those.
convenient, upstairs and downstairs.
Yes, it is. We'll take a look at how our vegetables are doing and our chicken.
Here we go with the flip. Do we huli the vegetables as well so
Yes.
often?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ay, nice. Okay.
And zucchini, so the vegetables look almost done and the chicken's got a little bit of time. So.
Okay.
I have a question about the chicken. My husband could probably chime in on this. How can you tell when it's completely done? Do you check like how I check with the knife and all the juices run out?
That's one
Taboo.
way. That'd be one way, you know. Yeah,
By the time he's all finished, all butchered.
you know, it's firmness or the touch of it, you know.
Like so when you grab
like,
to
when you got a
Huli.
rare steak
Got
or
it.
you know.
Okay.
So usually a nice trick is what you feel over here. So this is almost
And
like
it feels
rare.
like your own,
Oh.
like, oh, I think
Like
I've
your
seen
own
that
palm.
trick
You just
before.
feel, yeah.
Oh.
And then this would be like medium rare, medium well, and well.
Ah, I
Okay.
did not know that.
Wow. We
So
really
for
have
chicken,
our
you
work
probably
cut out
want to
for us.
go more towards the well.
That's
the
the
medium
pinky
well.
and thumb.
Yeah. So if you just feel this muscle, it's
Yeah.
a good way to judge.
Oh, what a great trick. Thank you for sharing that. It's like,
All right, the time has come. Let's see what we got in
Yes.
there.
I think the chicken should be almost done, but the veggies are definitely
oh
Perfect,
my gosh,
perfect,
they look
perfect.
so juicy.
So nice how the rub is just all over the.
Well, nothing screams summer like grilled vegetables.
Yeah. And corn on the cob
Yes.
and all of that, huh? So, wait, we're gonna.
This is how I get my kids to eat vegetables. If it's grilled, they'll love it.
Yeah,
Yes.
nice. Do you have like a specific way when you do your barbecue, Heather?
Oh gosh, I'm doing it exactly the way Chef Wade does it from now on.
Whatever the
I'm gonna-
paso is.
I really am gonna recreate this very like dish
Yeah,
with
yeah.
the same vegetables and everything.
Nice.
So we're just gonna simply cut, and we're just gonna place all the zucchini
Right.
on the bottom, so it helps soak all of the juices from the chicken.
Nice.
Oh, it smells delicious.
Guys, I can see the juices dripping too already.
So
Awesome.
we're gonna huli chicken.
Okay,
here.
so that's ready.
Oh, I'm curious to see how you cut it.
So we're gonna separate the leg
Mm-hmm.
and then the breast.
Okay.
So simply there's a. No, this would be the leg.
Oh my gosh, that smells so
I
good.
can see that the skin is like crunchy too. That's one of the breasts, huh?
The breast.
So we in Hawaii call it huli chicken.
Yeah.
What on the continental U.S. or around the world do they make
Obviously,
like similar
they don't say
dishes?
huli chicken, right?
Or
Would be like a barbecue chicken or rotisserie chicken.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Oh, that looks
It
delicious.
does. It
It
looks
smells good
delicious.
too.
I can't wait. Here we go. Oh my
Oh.
gosh, that's a hearty piece. It looks
The moment
juicy.
you've all been waiting for. How is it?
Cheers. That's delicious.
Well, Chef Wade, thank you so much for spending time with us and showing us how to make this amazing dish. And mahalo to all of you for joining us for this week's Pau Hana Backyard Barbecue.
At your next barbecue, if you decide to recreate this dish, don't forget to upload a photo and tag us at Hawaiian Airlines or hashtag Pau Hana with Hawaiian Airlines. Aloha and have a wonderful weekend.
Ahui ho!